It's about to go live. It's loading right now. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aaron Mason. I am a Superior Court judge here in Clayton County, Georgia. Today is May 6, 2021, and it is approximately 4:17 p.m. I am located in courtroom 405 of the Harold Banke Justice Center, and I'm about to accept the presentments for Grand Jury Panel B, who was properly sworn and charged this morning by me before they began their deliberations. However, before I accept the grand jury presentments, I want to ensure that anybody who is interested in being present and witnessing the presentments is allowed to enter my courtroom. The record will reflect that I'm live streaming this court proceeding. The record will also reflect that I'm going to make a phone call to the deputies and bailiffs securing the entrance to the courthouse to see if anyone or anybody is present and desires to come to my courtroom or enter the courthouse.
Adrian, this is Marty.
Hello, this is Aaron Mason, Judge, Clayton County Superior Court.
Hey, Judge Mason. Are we getting the call for the afternoon?
Yes, I am trying to see if there's anybody in line trying to get into the courthouse.
No, sir, at the moment, not right now.
Okay, well, would you do me this favor? Just take one more look to make certain there's no one in line. And if so, please let whoever wants to enter the courthouse, please enter the courthouse.
Will do. Yeah, there's nobody. I'm standing right by the front doors and nobody's out there.
Okay, well, since no one's there, this is what I will do. Is Deputy Robinson present?
Yes, sir. He's standing right here.
Let me talk with Deputy Robinson, please.
Okay, sir, here he is.
Hey, Judge.
Hey, good afternoon, sir.
I'm good, sir. Yourself?
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to give you a bit of information. I'm about ready to accept the presentments. I understand no one's trying to get into the courthouse, but it's very important that as far as the courthouse doors are concerned, please do not lock the doors until I'm done accepting the presentments.
Yes, sir.
I will call down or have someone give you notice when we're done, but until that time, the courthouse doors must remain open.
Yes, sir.
That is all, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
All right, bye-bye. I've called, I've heard from the bailiff, I've heard from the deputy. No one is at the front of the courthouse trying to get in. So I'll just go ahead and proceed right now. According to the Clayton County Grand Jury Guidelines for the resumption of grand juries, the district attorney has provided the grand jury foreperson with a laptop to digitally return indictments. The foreperson was trained and can electronically sign the indictments and indicate whether the grand jury has returned a true bill or a no bill. After the grand jury deliberations, the foreperson is required to save all executed indictments on a flash drive. The foreperson is then required to give the flash drive to the grand jury bailiff. This afternoon, do I have a grand jury bailiff present in my courtroom? Great. If you would please make your way to the podium in front of the courtroom. I'm just going to ask you a few questions if you don't mind. If you would, go ahead and raise your right hand. I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. I know your name, but for the record, please give us your name.
Maureen Stubbs.
Thank you, Ms. Stubbs. Questions I have for you are this. Are you the grand jury bailiff for grand jury panel B?
Yes, sir.
Did you receive a flash drive from the foreperson of grand jury B?
Yes, sir.
Have you maintained sole possession of that flash drive even until this very moment?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. I'm putting my mask on so you can be protected and I will be as well. Would you please approach the bench and give me the flash drive? Thank you so much. You need to sign this. I have received the flash drive from the grand jury bailiff. You can go ahead and take a seat, ma'am. The record will reflect that I'm about to plug in the flash drive that was delivered to me from the grand jury bailiff that contains documents of the indictments from grand jury B. I will review the documents online, well, from the flash drive, print them out, make certain everything is in proper order. Then I will double check. Upon double checking, I will then present these indictments to the clerk of our Superior Court for filing. Hmm. Madam Clerk, I do see one bill of indictment that is not a true bill or a no bill. Nothing was written on it at all. So there appears to be an irregularity with this particular case. I will print it out and continue. So far up until this point, everything has been proper till just now. But I will continue and take this one to the side, pull it to the side and see if this was a mistake. But it appears that nothing has been done. But I will continue on. I'm going to print it out now. I just completed my initial review. Once it's done printing, I will double check all the indictments once more to make certain they are as I believe they are. I've only found one that seemed irregular in that it was not a true bill or a no bill. There was just nothing done. But let me double check and verify. Now that I think about it, there are two that appear to be irregular. I have one that is not a true bill or a no bill. However, they did write across the document, no action. I'm assuming that's a no bill. Okay, so they need to readdress that one. All right, I'm gonna pull that to the side. So there are at least two cases that need to be relooked at. I have one, we'll pull to the side there. Madam Clerk, I have reviewed the return of the indictments. I find two that are irregular. One that has no action written across the form, not a true bill or no bill, just no action. The other, nothing is written at all, just a blank document that nothing was done to. What I can do is take out the flash drive, return it back to the grand jury bailiff to be given to the grand jury to take action, or true bill or no bill, these two matters. And I can give the printout so they could see which matters with their names and appropriate parties are listed to take the action necessary. Yes, please come to the podium.
They have all gone for the day. So it would have to be presented to them next week.
Okay, so this is what we'll do. The ones that are proper, I will give to Madam Clerk for filing. The two that I find are irregular or improper, I will have to, well, I guess, hold on to myself. Or who should I give it to? Should I give it to the clerk?
If I may, for the record, ADA Bonnie Smith, what they are instructed is that if they do the no action, that the no action is returned to the DA's office so that there may be further investigation for the possibility of the case being represented. I don't know if the other one was an error and she just forgot, it didn't save properly, or she forgot to fill it out. What I can do is look at it and possibly present it to the same grand jury next week after I inquire as to what the circumstances were, if it was just a mistake.
Okay. Literally one says no action, the other has nothing. Nothing was done at all. Okay. So what I'll do then is, Madam Clerk, please approach the bench. I put my mask on for your safety. Please accept these for filing.
Thank you.
Thank everyone for assisting me with the work that needs to be done. I'm going to go off of live stream because we are now done in court. Let me take the